this video, we're going to show you some special formats that may come in handy if you're formatting data that's zip codes, social security numbers, phone numbers, or you worry about leading zeros or trailing zeros in a cell. So let's suppose you type in a zip code. I'm from Livingston, New Jersey. I type in 07039, that's our zip code, and it doesn't show the zero. But if I do Control-1 and I do special zip code, zip code plus 4, there you go. Now if I type in my phone number when I was growing up, 998-201 area code 992-7129. Now I want that to be a phone number. Control-1 special phone number. Now if I want to do a social security number, does anybody have this one? I don't know. But I do Control-1, you get the hang of this, special social security number. That's pretty simple. Now what about leading zeros? So I might type in 0425. Suppose everything's supposed to be 4 characters. And I've got 0023, 0001. Now the format for that is you have to put in 4 zeros. So you Control-1, you go to custom, okay, and you type in 4 zeros, and then it'll show 4 things before the decimal point, and that's what you want. Now what happens if you want to do that with 2 things showing after the decimal point? So you might go 0425.00, 0023.00, 001.00, and if I do Control-1 to bring up format cells, I'll do 4 zeros, decimal point 2 zeros. 4 zeros, decimal point 2 zeros. And there you go. So those are lots of very useful special formats.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.